welcome back to the channel. We have the kids here with us today, right?
Yes.
Yes. So we are going to be making some fall snacks. We're going to be making cupcakes, but shaped like pumpkins. And I found this video on TikTok, and I'll post it on the screen here and show y'all like the outcome of it. And I'll link the video in the description box below. But we are going to make some cupcakes. Zuri been asking me about these cupcakes since yesterday. So I said, let's go ahead and get it done. So I'm gonna just first show y'all what we have. We have some Funfetti cupcake mix. They do have the Halloween theme Funfetti, but we don't celebrate Halloween. So we're just going to follow the directions on the back of the box. And I'm gonna show y'all everything that we need. Y'all ready?
Yes.
Yes. We'll be making
Mommy. Pumpkin cupcake.
Good job, shit. All right, so of course we got the cake mix, and everything that you're gonna need for the cake are 3 eggs. We got our oil. We got water in a big measuring cup, and then we're gonna put some oil in here. And then what you're gonna need for the actual outcome of the pumpkin cupcake. The recipe or the video that I saw, she used cones. So I gotta see how big they are and make sure that they line up with the cake pan that we have. And we got some pretzel sticks for the stems. We got sandwich bags for like the piping bags. I honestly think we may need some more icing, so I may have to walk up the street or go to the store. All right, girls, y'all ready?
Yes.
All right, let's get into making some cake mix first, okay?
Okay.
Girls, I forgot one more thing.
What is it?
We need a bowl to put the stuff in. We need a bowl and we need some spoons so y'all can stir. So let's get that really quick. Who wanna go first?
Me.
I'm gonna show. Pour some of it in.
Oh, no.
Okay, let's try to do the rest. Here, Charlie.
Whoa, that's the, I see the fingers.
You got it underneath your hand. Okay, let go.
Why won't I see it?
You see what?
This.
What is it?
Fingers.
Okay. So that's how that's looking so far. We're gonna put this to the side and we're gonna do our eggs, okay?
Okay.
Oh, Jesus, y'all in these eggs. Mommy gonna break the eggs and y'all gonna stir it up, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, a fork too.
Thank you.
1 egg.
Yeah. Check done.
Check it done. Uh-oh.
Check done.
I'm worried about y'all getting the shells in it. And here I go. Getting the shell in it. 2 eggs. Check done.
Check done. Now
Done.
Oh. Check done.
Check. Got it. 3 eggs.
3 eggs. When next?
We gotta stir up the eggs.
Okay.
Here, let Charlie go first.
Ew.
Stir it, stay.
Bruh.
Count as well.
Yeah!
You nasty.
Cover your mouth. God bless you. Say thank you.
Wow.
Hey, you all in your nose. Good thing we the only ones eating these. Okay, you done?
Yes.
Okay. Here, pour some, not all of it. Okay.
Okay.
Charlie, turn. Good job, say mom. Good job, shit.
Oh, wow. All done. Ice cream.
They want to stir.
And share. Yeah.
Go ahead. While y'all start, I get the oil ready. Okay.
Okay.
So the recipe calls for a half a cup of oil. So since it's 2 of them, I'm gonna do the 1/4 twice. So we're gonna pour that in there for them. This is heavy. Oh, it's getting heavier and heavier. Ah!
Whoa.
Whoa.
Well, we're getting heavy. Huh?
Yeah, baby. All right, who first?
Me.
Let's start. We go first. You went first with the eggs.
My turn now.
Am I making a mess?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. What is wrong with me? I'm making a big mess. Here, shit.
Okay.
Alright, we done with the oil. We're gonna put that away. Let mommy stir it up just a little bit to get all the ingredients incorporated before we add the water.
Well, it's fast. My nose is
Aubrey was
fast.
supposed to be out here with us. I guess she's gonna come out when it's time to do the decorating. So it's super thick. I just wanted to get all of the ingredients incorporated without the. So now we're gonna add the water. Mommy gonna do the water and y'all stir, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna add a little bit at a time. Stir it up.
It's sticky.
I know, you gotta stir the water up.
It's sticky.
You gotta stir the water so it gets unstick. The water is gonna thin it out. Gonna make it easier to stir. See, it's coming off.
Look. One bowl.
Let's see. Keep stirring.
It's too heavy.
Here, give me some more water. This is 1 cup of water, y'all.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby.
Let me get petals. Wait.
Why are you trying to take the bowl?
Mommy.
It's not yours. You gotta share. You gotta hold the bowl shut. So that's what it's looking like, y'all. Very, very
Look,
sippy.
I see sprinkles.
Keep stirring. You gotta stir till all the water is incorporated, and then we still got some more water here. Keep stirring. That's a whole cup of water.
Oh
Oh no. I'm just stirring so this water can get in there really well.
no. What? You look right.
Okay. Y'all can go ahead and finish stirring.
This one.
We gotta see. So we got a regular size cake pan. Cupcake pan. And then we got the minis. We got 2 different sizes of cones. So these ones, they really tiny.
This is the very big.
We gotta see how big those are.
Come on.
So these are the tiny ones. They really tiny, right? These are by the brand Joy, and it says mini. I did not think that these was going to be like that many, but they are. I feel like that'll be perfect on there like that. So we may do both sizes. I don't know. But we're going to see how big these are. Oh, it's fine. It's big enough. I watched 2 different videos. One video called for jumbo cones, but the other one just showed, she didn't do no narration or anything. So I'm gonna grease these pans up really quick because we gonna do both, and I'll be right back.
I see CDs.
You see the CDs?
Yes.
So we got the big size, and we're gonna do, I think we only grease like 8 of them. Yeah, we only grease like 8 of the smaller ones. So we're gonna start with the bigger ones. But when you fill these up, you don't want to fill them up too much because it's going to you gotta still put the cone in it. Come on, shit.
The big one.
Okay, so we're gonna put the cones in it. You just place it on top. Don't push it all the way in, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Charlie, not those.
Just like that. Don't push. I said don't push it all the way in. These kids don't listen.
Linda, listen. Linda.
You just sit it on top.
Thank you. I just got to check the cone.
And the oven is already preheated, so these supposed to go in.
How do you put it in there?
These supposed to go in for 15 minutes on 350.
300.
Okay. All right, so that's how they looking, y'all. We about to put them in, and we'll check back in when they are done.
Later.
All right, y'all. So they are done. Some of them came out right. Some of them didn't. So I'm gonna show y'all one that came out right. Let me get a good one. This came out right. The cone did crack a bit, but that's fine. So that came out right. And here's one that didn't. Y'all see the difference? It's a little slanted, but it's fine. Aubrey said, good thing pumpkins come in all shapes and sizes, so it'll be cool. It'll be cool. We do have one that's just like really obnoxious. Like, look at that. So you definitely don't want to fill them up too much. Some of them are still hot, so we letting them cool off, and we are going to start on our icing. So here go the cupcakes again, and we got Charlie eating the icing. She's eating the icing. Wait, Stink. Okay. If she want a white pumpkin, remember we saw those white pumpkins in the store? If she want a white pumpkin, she can have a white pumpkin.
I want the red one.
So, Shook,
Yes.
we got to make the color orange, okay?
Okay.
So, red and yellow mixed together makes orange.
She can only have 2 cupcakes
Okay.
today. No, it's too hard.
No, it's not too hard.
Started.
She might need some more icing. Uh-oh.
That's right.
No, you don't get no more. Did I put enough yellow in there? No?
Wait, what? It's blue.
Here.
Well, I see the orange.
Okay.
All done.
Okay. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. You need more yellow. Keep stirring.
All done.
Here, Aubrey.
So I gotta do one.
Keep stirring, Shook. Here, let me help you. Keep stirring. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring.
Look, it's
Hers look like
red.
pink. What you think she need? More yellow?
Oh, remind me your yellow. You're making pink one.
She need more yellow, I think. Here, stir that in. Come on, Stink. Let's stir yours. Stir it up.
Okay.
No, stir it up some more. I can still see it. Stir it up some more.
Okay.
I'm just trying to hurry up and decorate. Does it look like? It look peach. It look like your shirt. Like I don't know. XCT.
Doing a great job. It's like peach.
Peach, right?
Mine-
Zori got orange, right?
Let me see, ZZ.
Ain't Zori's orange?
Oh, that look nice. Where mine?
Isn't Zori's orange?
No,
No?
that's peach.
You gotta spread it.
See,
on
hers
there,
look really orange.
No, I don't.
Zori's, yes, it does.
It look orangier than yours, but Ages, I mean, Aubrey's look they all look all them colors.
Ours look scarlet.
What? She smells.
Scarlet.
So we got, I told y'all we had, oh, that's probably why. Because it's not actually white. It's cream. That's probably why. So we can't get it like the perfect orange. I feel like Zori's is the only perfect orange. Aubrey's is next, and then mine's look pink, to be honest, or peach. It look coral. That's what it is. That's the color, coral. So we about to decorate our pumpkins. Look at Charlie eating.
Oh my God, look at Zori.
No, you don't have to eat this icing. No, I need this icing. Here, put it on your plate.
You got a whole scoop.
Okay.
You just give her a pretzel, right?
She didn't want to wait for her pretzel
You want a pretzel?
or her pumpkin lines.
Fruit.
I guess y'all gonna have to watch me.
You said I don't even like it enough. I'm eating it.
All right. So I'm gonna try, cause I got some cake experience.
Why is it laughing at
She laughing at me.
No, you might really do that cake experience, oh.
Yeah.
What did you do?
What?
My mom had
What did you do?
My mom had a 45.
Aubrey,
47.
I love bacon.
Agent Aubrey. I'm gonna find the pictures from my mom's birthday party. Agent made this real design cake.
It was heart shaped and 2 layers.
And
you
always
had
used to make
fondant.
all the cupcakes.
Oh, you was a baby when I made all of those cupcakes.
Yeah.
So that's how that's looking so far. And now I'm gonna take Zori's, because Zori's is darker than mine. And I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag to do the lines over the pumpkin. Y'all know how a pumpkin look. Show Sweeties your cone. Show.
See, look at my cone.
That's good.
Yes, look at my cupcake.
Well, look how she ate that. She said, I want to do it like that.
Mine.
Look at her reach up.
Now Zori want the lines.
You ate all.
You ate your whole cupcake. Now you about to say, "Mommy, I want it."
Look at your special child. I'm gonna knock you out. Stop it!
Charlie.
That's cute.
I like Spider-Man.
It's cute. Look at our pumpkins, y'all. They so cute. Oh, this stem need to go down a little bit. But I think they are so cute. Super, super cute. I wish we had something green so I could go ahead and make like a leaf, but that's gonna have to do. This day was hectic, but we had fun. Y'all had fun?
Yes.
Now we gotta clean up all this stuff. We still got a little bit more to decorate, but it's time for bed. I like how this is lighter than that. I wish, and that one too, like different shades, you know, like Aubrey said. Good thing pumpkins come in all shapes and sizes and colors. We should have did a white pumpkin. We should have did white. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. They came out delicious and good. My nephew, he even ate one without icing, so it tastes better that way. No, we need icing on our cake, right, Chip?
Yes.
Yes. But anyway, I thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And come back tomorrow for another video for Vlogtober.